and it comes tumbling down. What's the answer then? The answer is say no.
No.
You see here. You can see the yes men are here. Hey, they're ready. Yes, I'm ready. It's to say no. It's one of the most unpracticed spiritual disciplines that you see in the Bible. And I want to say to you, Jesus says no so often. When you read your Bible and you read for it, it will blow your mind. I remember the first miracle, Jesus water into wine. Mother comes to him at the feast. There's not enough wine, we'll say. Big problem. Do something about it. What does Jesus say? No. It's not my time. We often like to think Jesus just said yes the whole entire time. In Mark chapter 1, the very first chapter in the book, after a long night of healing people, Jesus tells his disciples it's time to go to the other side. The disciples go, no, there's lots of people. Hey, there's lots of people that want to come. There's lots of people that want to grow this movement thing. There's lots of people who want to hear you preach and see you heal. And Jesus goes, no. I need to retreat for a while and be with my Father. In what church are we going to stop the revival? Hey? And yet Jesus stops the revival. He stops it. No. It's hard sometimes. You see, Jesus' no was not neglect. It was discernment. He refused to be driven by demand because he was led by God's divine direction. Just because you are needed doesn't mean you have to say yes. God is not only calling you. I know you are the hero to your own story. I am to me as well. Hey, I am the John Travolta of my story. Hey, I will get the girl and I'll sort out the baddie. But I promise you, God has lots of John Travoltas out there. Need doesn't mean it's you. Discernment is what decides if it is you.